100% pure snake oil by Gadgetman. It's the real deal.
How to give more power to an antique tractor in minutes. 1952 McCormick, owned by Mark Squires of Fort Benton, Montana.
Hi everybody, good morning. It's Sunday, October something, I don't know, but it's cold here as you can guess. Wait, is it recording? Yeah, I guess it is. Alright, so now after solving a problem that, this is Mark Squires, the legendary mechanic from Choteau County, Fort Benton, has helped me get this thing back together again. Oh my God, look at those icicles on the front of that thing. Anyway, his tractor was having trouble running because there was ice in the air filter, right, Mark? So he took the torch and heated it up, and after a couple of minutes it started coming down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some snake oil to the engine right now while you're with us, and we're going to see what happens. But it sounds pretty good. How old is this?
1952.
1952 tractor. Alright. Then we're going to groove it too next time the carburetor comes up, probably this week, alright? Alright, so gotta love the old style engines, man. There's just something about them. Yeah, International Farmall, McCormick. International Harvester. Alright. So I'm putting into work now. Alright, so there's just one 5cc dose of snake oil there. And actually, that's the stuff for gear oil assemblies. But it'll do fine in this thing. It's only like a teaspoonful. So let's go ahead and put it in there, Mark. That's all there is to it. And I look at that flapper, it tells me a lot, the exhaust. It's nice and smooth. This thing really does run pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think I'm already hearing it run better. Alright, so
I have to go to work now.
you're going to do some snow blowing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, or snow plowing. Alright, well when you come back, you give me your report on the power and stuff, alright?
Okay.
Alright guys, we'll come back to you in a few seconds.
About 2 hours later, he returned with his report.
Okay guys, well, Mark has come back from his little adventure plowing. So where did you plow snow at, Mark?
Oh, I plowed snow down at the church.
Oh, okay.
Had a pretty good big parking lot down there.
And you did some hill and stuff like that too? Hills? You said it went right up a hill?
Yeah, it's a uphill on the pavement coming back, and it normally slows down going up the hill, and it didn't slow down one bit, and it seems like it's got more RPM.
Right.
And then on the way back, I graded another road in high gear.
Yeah.
And this would never pull it in high gear before.
Oh, cool. All right, well, let's go ahead and start up and see how she sounds. And about 10 inches of fresh snow on the ground. Man, it started quick and easy. Oh, it's quieter too.
Yeah.
A brief shot of what it sounded like before.
Yeah, you guys can hear that. I know you can. All right, so give me your report, Mark. That's nice.
So what?
I said, so give me your report, full report. Inside out.
Yeah, it runs a lot smoother, and I can plow at a lower RPM, and the RPM seemed to increase quite a bit for top end, and it's got way more power at top end than it had before.
So, is that good for tractors?
Oh yeah, well, the more power you can get, the better.
Oh, you like power, do you?
Yeah.
Look at the grin on his face.
This tractor's only rated at 15 horsepower.
I'd like to know what it can do now.
Yeah.
All right. So, does Snake Oil receive your qualified endorsement after 70-some years of being a mechanic?
Yeah, it does. It's impressive how quick it takes off and changes it, because a lot of times you put stuff in and it takes a while for it.
Right.
You notice it, but this one noticed it right away.
Yeah, well, it's good. All right, Well, boys and girls, the website is snakeoil.wtf, because that's how you're going to feel about it when you see how it does on your engines too. Smoking, thing of the past, increases power, makes them run way smoother, and gives people smiling faces like Mark's. All right. So God bless y'all richly and warmly as always, and remember to smile for a stranger today. You will both be glad you did. Bye-bye. Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.